Hi, and thanks for joining us today. I'm Jennifer Salvador, and this is Carol Anderson.
Hi.
Carol, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to talk about credit score, friend or foe. Let's get started with the importance of your credit score.
Credit score is so important, Jennifer, for a lot of reasons. First of all, it's going to, in many cases, determine the rate that you get on a loan or even on an insurance that you're applying for. The higher the credit score, usually the better the rate you're going to get on products like that. In addition, a lot of people don't realize that when you apply for a job, an employer is usually going to look at your credit score. And there are other people, when you rent an apartment, for example, as well as some of the purchases and loans that you're applying for, are all looking at the credit score. So the higher it is, the better.
So how do we find out what our credit score is then?
It's very simple. There are three basic primary reporting agencies, and you want to go on to each of their websites. You can do this through annualcreditreport.com, and from there you can access each of those agencies and see exactly what's on your credit report. You can look at your credit report. It's not so important that you know what your score is, and if you do want to know what your score is, you'll usually pay for that. But the credit reports themselves are free on each of the websites, one per year. You want to go on there, look and see what's on your credit report that is affecting that credit score. If you're going to make some kind of major purchase very soon, a house, a car, then it's a nice idea to have a good feel for what your credit score is, knowing that the decision is going to be based on that credit score. Otherwise, the important thing is go into your credit report at annualcreditreport.com, look at the items that are there. If there's anything wrong, anything inaccurate, you need to dispute that. You must write to the three reporting agencies, as well as oftentimes contacting the retailer or the credit card company that has that erroneous information for you. You want to be sure that you do this in writing. No one else can do it for you.
Okay, so if you don't pay extra for your credit score, you can still see, though, whether you're in good standing or not, or whether your bills have been paid on time, or if there are any outstanding.
Absolutely. You can take a look at your credit report, know what's on there, and determine for yourself the accuracy of it. If there are items on your credit report that are not right, you want to be sure that nothing is showing as maybe 60 days late when you know you made that payment on time. You want to be sure that all of the records on your credit report are really yours, because a lot of times people have discovered accounts and credit cards that they don't have never had, and oftentimes upon investigating, they'll discover they've been a victim of identity theft. Then you need to take steps to get that corrected. If it is, for example, a credit card company, you might want to contact the company as well as write, and it's important that it be in writing, your dispute of any items that are wrong on your credit report to the three agencies, because then it becomes a matter of record that you have a specific item under dispute on your credit report. So it's very important that you see not only what is on there, what retailers are listed, they call them trade lines, and also that the information and the payment history is accurate.
Well, thank you, Carol. That was really helpful information. And if you'd like more information on credit scores, please send us an email at blog@nevadafederal.org, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. We'll see you next time.
Thanks.